Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today's exercise, we will create several application by using a code snippet. Okay, so let's start our file with file new. Okay, and then make sure every time when you want to create your application, you have to choose where you want to publish. For example, I want to publish to Android, so the Android basic setting is 800 times 480. Okay, and then you can use a template here. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so for today's exercise, I want you to do some exercise. Okay, for first, open the first we want to click a drag and drop. Okay, so create a object here. Tak nampak Okay, so okay, you draw and then we right click and then we create a, you can use a session tool here and then double click and then right click, convert to symbol. Okay, and then type the name and then you can choose whether it's a movie clip or button. So for this exercise we will use a movie clip and then click OK. Click OK. Okay, okay, and then it's better for you, you can just type use code snippet to assign the code, but better for you to assign the instance name here. Go to properties, you can assign the name here. For example, I assign as a ball. Okay, and then you have to click your object and then open Windows and then go to code snippet. There is code snippet here. Okay, and then you want to do a drag and drop, so go to action, double click, drag and drop. Okay, then you can control enter to see your application. Okay, now you can see you have a object that you can drag and you can drop. Okay, so that's using code snippet to do a drag and drop application. Okay, we will go on details about what is the coding for in our next class. Okay, but for this exercise, we just do the application and then okay, and then after this we will do some more exercise on the code snippet. Okay.